Hi, thank you for joining me and welcome back to Nana T. Today we're going to do a single crochet. The abbreviations for that are SC. And so we're going to begin, and our pretend pattern called for a chain of 20. So I've gone ahead and done that. When I am told a chain of 20 and it's the beginning of a project, I always do one extra, and you'll see why in a minute. So let's do that extra one now. So there's 21 chains. So to begin a single crochet, you want to go into the second chain from the hook. You don't count the yarn that's on the hook. So you have 1 and 2. This is where you want to insert your hook, right here. You insert your hook, yarn over, pull the yarn back through. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through both loops. That is your first single crochet. Insert your hook into the next loop, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through. You go into the next stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You have the 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through both loops. We're going to do that one more time. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. So keep going to the end and I will meet you there. So we're just about at the end. We have 2 stitches left. So let's get those done. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. Now the very last stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and go through both loops. So that's your first row after your chain stitch of single crochet. At this point, you want to turn your work. First, we're going to count the number of stitches that are there. There should be 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. You started chain with 21, but then you went into the second stitch from the end, bringing your total to 20. So you're going to turn your work at this point, chain 1, and then go into this very first stitch here. On the top, you will see what looks like little V's. You want to make sure that your hook goes through both of those loops and not just one. So you go into this stitch, insert your hook. You have both strands from the V on the hook right there. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Second stitch, you insert your hook. You have both loops on the hook from the V. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. Go through the next stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both. We're going to do one more. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both. So keep going and I will meet you at the end. So now we have 1 stitch left to go. Insert your hook. You have both strands of the V on your hook. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. At this point, we're going to finish off. The abbreviation to finish off is FO. You grab your scissors, cut your yarn, leaving somewhat of a tail. Yarn over, pull the yarn all the way through, and pull. So that is what your single crochet should look like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me. If you did enjoy it, please leave me a comment, hit like, and hit subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.